Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our channel Creative Fopo, administered by Halima Abdul Shakur Bawani. Today we are here with you to share a topic, magnets, with you. In this topic we are going to explore the objects that are magnetic or not magnetic. Will you please tell us what are magnetic objects?
Magnetic objects are those that attract to the magnet.
And what are not magnetic objects?
Not magnetic objects that not attract to the magnet.
Will you please show us a magnet over here?
This is a magnet.
Now please pick up objects from the tray one by one and sort them onto the correct mat.
This is a plastic spoon. Oh, this is not magnetic. So we put the plastic spoon on non-magnetic mat. This is a paper clip. Whoa, paper clip is magnetic. See, this is not falling. So we put paper clip on magnetic mat. This is a pom-pom. Oh, pom-pom is not magnetic. So we put pom-pom on not magnetic mat. This is a foam flower. Oh, this is also not magnetic. So we put foam flower on not magnetic mat. This is a marble. Marble is not magnetic. So we put marble on not magnetic mat. This is thumbpin. Thumbpin. Oh, thumbpin is magnetic. So we put thumbpin on magnetic mat. This is paper. Oh, paper is not magnetic. So we put paper on not magnetic mat. This is safety pin. Oh, safety pin is magnetic. So we put safety pin on magnetic mat. This is wooden pencil. Oh, wooden pencil is not magnetic. So we put wooden pencil on not magnetic mat. This is a needle. Oh, needle is magnetic. So we put needle on not magnetic mat. These are keys. Keys are magnetic. See, this is not falling. So we put keys on not magnetic mat. This is a eraser. Oh, eraser is not magnetic. So we put eraser on not magnetic mat. This is a cotton flower. Oh, cotton flower is not magnetic. So we put cotton flower on not magnetic mat. This is a nail. Oh, nail is magnetic. See, this is not falling. So we put nail on magnetic mat. This is a keychain. Oh, keychain is not magnetic. So we put keychain on not magnetic mat. This is a rubber band. Oh, rubber band is not magnetic. So we put rubber band on not magnetic mat.
I hope you find this video very much informative.
Like, share and subscribe our channel